Hey, how's everybody doing? So listen, are you the type that goes to the store and buys those prepackaged foods? Like instead of cutting up your own fruits, you're cutting up your own vegetables. You buy them already pre-packed. Let me tell you something, it's a big mistake. And I got a story here right now. It's going to tell you why. Hang in there.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, hope to find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. And definitely remember, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon. This way you know next I come out with a video. And a thumbs up always help. I appreciate you. Appreciate all my subscribers. Everybody come back to check out the show. So yeah, I came across this story. It's going to be kind of a quick one, but it's something that a lot of us do today. Me personally, I don't. I know people that do it. Sometimes it's more convenient. When I came across this story, why it's better not to do this, I wanted to share that with you in case you are someone who does do this, and you'll know why it's a big mistake. And if you don't do it, you know why you're doing the right thing, and you won't even think about going the other way. We're talking about that prepackaged food, the fruits and vegetables and stuff. So here we go. Why buying prepackaged food at the grocery store is a big mistake. We've all been there. You're walking through the produce, checking out the big round green watermelons and the perfectly shaped purple onions. And then your gaze is diverted to a section that has the same items, but they are already cut up and packaged in a little plastic containers just for you. No mess, no hassle, the time saved, no cutting it up for yourself would allow you to do one of the other million items on your to-do list. Only in order to determine whether or not you should buy these convenience foods, you're going to have to go back to high school economics and use cost-benefit analysts to determine if it's in your household's best interest. Does a benefit outweigh the price of purchasing these few foods or vice versa? In 2018, food expenditures represented the third largest amount of money each household annually spends, with housing being the most expensive and transportation being the second most expensive. This spending on food is up 2.5% from the previous year and is only expected to continue to rise in the near future. But no one wants to waste money. No one wants to waste food or money. It's all about smart shopping. Smart shopping means you need to weigh the cost benefit of buying pre-cut packaged foods, with the time you save. This whole thing got messed up. Let me do this again. Smart shopping means you need to weigh the cost benefit of buying pre-cut packaged foods with the time you would have to spend doing it yourself. And once you realize how much you can save by slicing and dicing at home, you might think twice about this grocery store expenditure. Just how much more expensive is pre-cut produce? I'll tell you, I really don't mind cutting and chopping things up myself, so it's not bad. Sometimes you need to do that, just get a little anger out, just start cutting things up. But American culture is all about convenience. We're busy and we want things to help make our time in the kitchen less frantic when it comes to meals. From food delivery service to chopped up vegetables and fruits, what you are really buying is time. But can your pocketbook afford that purchase? Not too long ago, Vice actually compared prices of buying a whole food and its prepackaged version, and what they found might surprise you. Chopped up versions of vegetables and fruits sell for as much as 3 times more than when you buy them whole and cut them up at home. 3 times more. Comparing romaine lettuce, they found that buying a head of this leafy green was just $1.99. Compared to purchasing a 22-ounce bag of hearts for $3.99. Broccoli bought whole was $2.99 a pound, while chopped florets was selling for $4.99 a pound. And think twice about that red onion. A whole red onion range in at about 49 cents a pound at Walmart, Well, the diced version was $4 a pound. Wow, what a difference there. 49 cents a pound for one whole red onion was like ranged from 49 cents a pound. And the diced up someone to cut it up for you costs like another $3.50 for somebody else to cut that up. $4 a pound. Crazy. Vice estimates that you could save $100 or more a month off your monthly grocery bill just by buying the whole version of your fruits and vegetables and chopping them up yourself. Moreover, when you buy pre-cut, pre-packaged fruits and vegetables, you lose a lot of control. You don't know how they've been cleaned, for starters, and by virtue of cutting them up, their shelf life has been sliced in half. And they've already lost some of their nutrients when they get cut up like that. The exterior rinds and peels of fruits and vegetables serve as protection from a number of elements, including those that break down vitamins and sugars in their cell walls. Heat, oxygen, and light all contribute to both the nutritional content of a piece of fruit or vegetable, as well as how long it will last in your refrigerator or on your countertop. According to the experts, antioxidants like vitamin C can take the biggest hit because they react with oxygen. Once produced, has been peeled or chopped up, and the fleshy inside is hit with the air. There is a reduction in the antioxidant vitamins it contains. Additionally, slicing up your fruits and vegetables increase their respiration date. The respiration rate, which is when the sugar breaks down and carbon dioxide is released, contributes to how quickly food begins to brown and ultimately rot. Buying whole versions allow you to control the portions you cut up when you consume it and how it is cleaned. Becoming a chop master with your kitchen knives is not just a great way to show off and impress dinner guests, it's also better for the environment. All those plastic containers and bags that are used to package up our convenience foods may save us time, but is hurting our environment with the excess waste it creates. And that's true. You didn't even think about that. You buy these prepackaged things, they come in these plastic crates and stuff, and it's a little messed up. National Geographic estimates that 91% of all plastics are not recyclable, and that mass production of plastic has created a whopping 8.3 billion metric tons of it. Wow. What is even scarier is that the majority of it ends up in the trash, where it takes 400 years for it to break down. Whole fruits and vegetables come in their own packaging via peeled skins that are naturally biodegradable. The cost benefit of purchasing pre-cut, pre-packaged vegetables and fruits may benefit us personally, but it certainly doesn't help Mother Nature or future generations. Buying foods in their whole form cuts down on the carbon footprint and benefits everyone. So there's a lot to be said in that story right there. A lot of time, people's time is worth a lot more than money. I mean, I found that out, you could ask somebody, can you give me a hand for about a half an hour, I need help. And they're like, I'm kind of busy, whatever. Like, can you lend me $50? Yeah, sure. Here's $50. They're easy to give. Everybody's time is very valuable. And I agree with that 100%. Your time should be valuable to you. But in certain situations, you got to see what's more valuable. Is this little time consuming thing here going to save you a lot of money? Not a lot, but it's going to save you some. Like they're estimating about $100 a month. If you definitely cannot do it, I mean, this is just a part of your lifestyle, is how you got to get by every day, because you don't have the time to do this chopping and stuff like that. There it is. There's your answer. You got to do it. You know what I'm saying? We got to do what we got to do, pretty much. But if you ever wondered, if you're just doing it because, I'm going to buy this, look, it's a few dollars more, and I'm just going to buy it because I don't want to do it. Think about that. Think about the long run. So you chop it up a little bit. You take 5-10 minutes to chop up a carrot or a banana or a freaking, a fruit. In the long run, it's going to help you in your pocket, and it's also going to help the environment. The last couple of paragraphs here, it had to do with the environment, which is true. And a lot of times we don't even think about that. You're just thinking about buying the package of fruit that's already cut up because it's convenient. Well, where is that package going to go? They say 400 years to disintegrate, whatever. We don't even think about that, you know? It's hard. These are the choices we have to make. We can't really stress out too much about it, but in case you do buy those prepackaged things just for convenience and not any other reason, maybe try doing it the other way. Time is important to all of us. And remember, that's all we really have is time. And enjoy every day like it's your last, because you never know what's going to come tomorrow, you know? Just enjoy your family, friends, yourself, if that's all you got. Do what you got to do, get through the day and enjoy it. All right, guys, again, thanks for stopping by. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Hit that bell icon. Thumbs up always helps. And your comments. I love to hear your comments. You know, I definitely get back to you. You know, let me know what you're thinking. Let me know how you're doing out there. I'll definitely get back to you. And again, I appreciate you all for stopping by. I appreciate your all support. That's awesome. Thank you so much. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you around. Goodbye.